Hello everybody, my name is Khalid Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to add a different or additional vehicle profile in your Garmin Dezl GPS. When you're using a truck GPS, you have to have a vehicle profile. Basically, you have to enter the vehicle length, vehicle height, width, number of wheels in order to be able to get accurate routing for the roads based on your vehicle size. So that's why you have to have a profile for if you own more than one truck. Every time you enter in a new truck, you have to enter the profile for that specific truck. Now we are learning how to add an additional vehicle. So here's how we do it. In order to add another vehicle profile, you go to the settings at the bottom of the corner of the screen, and then you go to navigation, and then you go to vehicle profile, and right here, currently I only have a car there, but if I want to add a truck, I click on plus, and then whatever type of truck it is, let's guess it's a straight truck without, tractor, without having a trailer attached to it, a straight truck. You click on it. It tells you maximum height, whatever the height is. So let's say it's 14 feet high. Maximum width, let's say it's 8.6 feet, and length, let's say it's 60 feet long. And the weight, let's say it's 50,000 pounds. What type of hazardous material you carry? Do you carry explosive? Do you carry compressed gas? Do you carry flammable liquids, flammable solids, oxidizers, poisons, radioactive material? I hope you don't carry radioactive material, because that actually could penetrate to the driver cabin. Corrosive liquids, miscellaneous. So in your case, you're probably going to choose miscellaneous, but depends, So these are the, dimensions, and this is your straight truck, and that's the one that you're going to choose next time. And you could have multiple profiles. You could add another one, and you will have all the profiles here lined up, and you could, choose that one. If you want to change this profile, you click on the wrench icon. Everything about it is right here. Number of axles, speed, odometer reading. You could add vehicle number. You can put VIN number. You can put if you want to. I mean, these are not requirement. The ones that we put are the requirements. We have to put these things. But if all the odometer reading, VIN number, vehicle number, those are optional. You don't necessarily have to put it in. So that's how you do it. And you can add additional ones like that. Bus, let's say it's a bus, and you enter it, and voila, that's how you do it. Okay, I hope you learned a thing or two. Please make sure to like and subscribe.